Got a relatively simple project we're gonna get knocked out today. The temperatures dropped. It was 94 degrees yesterday, and it's gonna get down to 36 overnight. So already I'm back into my knit cap and my winter coat out here. But my mom-in-law, she wants her bird bath, her favorite bird bath replaced. We have two on the property, and one has gotten old and cracked. And I need to replace that with one that we have that sits kind of over on the corner of our property that she can't see. And so I'm going to switch those out. I'm going to pull the old one out and replace it with the one that's still good. Let me show you what the old one looks like here. So this is the old one. You can see this is really the problem area right here where it's cracked. And so anytime the water gets, well, it's actually cracked all the way down into the middle here. But it does at least hold water there. But once it gets up to like this point here, it really starts leaking. And so this is the one that she can see from the kitchen window and where she can see the birds. So this is really her favorite one. It's in really bad shape over here too. So this was with the house when we moved in. And it's time for this one to come out. This is the one we're going to replace it with. This is one that we've had for a couple of years. We actually brought this with us from our old house, and it's still in really good shape. It doesn't look like it has any, actually it does have a crack. I'm seeing right here. I'm seeing that it does have a crack. But that doesn't look like it goes all the way through. Well, maybe it does. I don't know. We're gonna have to find out if this one holds water or not. But even if it doesn't, it's going to hold water better than the one that's there now. And maybe this one's on its last leg too. But my job is to swap them out. And that's what I'm going to get done today. I'm going to use the tractor for that. The goal is I could probably get my wife and we could probably muscle that over. It's going to be a fair amount of work. And it's just going to be easier to use the tractor. If I bring the bucket right up to it, I can move these pieces into the bucket and then get that over there with a lot less effort than trying to do it manually. So let me go get the tractor warmed up. I'm gonna get the old bird bath out first. I think I can just bring the tractor right up here, get the bucket right about this level, scoot this onto there, and then drop the bucket down and lay this on its side for the pedestal and get that into the bucket and then put that over on the pile where I can break it up for just concrete use later. Pretty close. Let's bring that bucket up just a little bit and I can just scoot that top piece right into it. I got the work area clear of my mom-in-law's figurines. I don't want to crush any of those. At this point, I think I can just drop the bucket down, and I don't want to crush this metal edge here, but as long as I stay above that, I should just be able to set this pedestal right down into the bucket. Bring the other one over, I'll probably have a little bit of leveling that I need to do. I don't know, those are always a challenge because I try to level the pedestal first and then it feels like I get the top on and because they're not, very precision engineered, the top is never level. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna get this over to the dump pile. Well, as you can see, I didn't dump the top. So I was worried about this pedestal rolling away, and it rolled just a little bit. Not a big deal to move. So So let's try again to get that top out. Boy, after just dropping that in there, that cracked right in half. That was pretty brittle. Seeing how easily that other one broke, I want to be really careful with this one. I do have that crack in here. It does still seem like it's in a lot better shape, and I bet I could seal that up, at least to get through one more year. But I want to be really careful as I'm loading this, and of course I won't be dropping this one out of the bucket the way I did the other one. This is a little smaller, a little lighter too. Good. Nice and easy. Bring the bucket down and put the pedestal on. That looks good for now. I need to get the top on, put some water in it, find out, mostly what. So I'm just going to use the water level in the basin for level, and then I can kind of like move it, put some rocks under it. Again, this is not quite as heavy as the old one. Feels like it's this way a little bit, so I think I'll have to probably put some rocks under it that way. Yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. Quick and easy project. Took me about a half hour. It's not that it maybe would have taken me any longer without the tractor, but it was certainly a lot less effort. Certainly a lot easier to move that around. So pretty happy with how that turned out, and hopefully my mom-in-law likes it. I think she will. And that's it. So thank you for joining us out here at the Coyote Country Homestead. My name is Chris. Please click like, please click subscribe. Subscribe won't cost you any money, we won't send you anything, but it does help me grow the channel. And otherwise, we will talk to you next time. Thank you for joining us.